We are the group 7.
My name is Aryan Kembao.
My name is Abigail Cabillo.
And I'm Ricky Tuason.
This is our game logo, yung Rocket Run po namin. Ito yung pinaka-main logo po ng aming laro. And yung next po is core gameplay mechanics. The player needs to dodge every meteorites passing on the dog's rocket. The controls are the left and right arrow keys on the keyboards to play the game. The player has only 5 lives to survive the game. So yung pinaka-core gameplay po namin is to dodge and evade yung mga meteorites na nagpapass sa dog's rocket. And yung controls po is yung left and right arrow keys sa keyboard. And yung player po has only 5 lives to survive the game.
Game genre. Our main genre of the game is dodging and evading. The word itself, dodging and evading, kailangan mong iwasan yung pabagsak na meteorite.
So yung next po namin is yung target audience and platforms. So Rocket Run targets mobile platforms, specifically iOS and Android. The game genre designed to be played is on smartphones, PCs, and laptops. So yung pinaka-target audience po namin is yung mga batang naglalaro ng mga games. And yung platforms po is smartphones, PCs, and laptops. Next is the influences and inspiration. So yung Rocket Run po namin is na-influence po siya sa Subway Surfers, Minion Rush, and inspired po siya sa story of Laika. Si Laika po is yung first dog na nakapag na-launch through space, and yun yung pinaka-inspiration po ng laro po namin na inibilang po namin yung name na Max the Dog. So next is the storyline. Max, a brave dog, was chosen for a special mission to reach the fabled planet of dogs. As his rocket launched, Max marveled at the stars. Soon he faced a field of meteorites. Using his keen instincts, he dodged each one with precision. Finally, the meteorites thinned, revealing a beautiful blue planet. Max landed softly, greeted by cheering dogs. His legendary journey inspired dogs everywhere to dream big and reach for the stars.
So yung pinaka-main summary ng storyline is may isang dog which is named Max. Sabihin na nating matapang na dog na pinag-eksperimentohan ng mga scientists na pumunta sa space. Ang unang challenge na encounter niya is i-dodge yung mga meteorites, which is naging successful, kaya maraming mga aso na humahanga sa kanya at nangangarap na makapunta sa space.
How to play. Rocket Run generally involve controlling a rocket to navigate through obstacles and avoid collision. Bali, kailangan mo lang dito i-avoid yung mga bumabagsak na meteorite. Tapos yung sa rocket control naman, left and right ng arrow keys lang para gumalaw siya. Then yung sa obstacle na to, ito yung mga pabagsak na meteorite.
Main sprites. Yung pinaka-main sprites namin is yung rocket, which is nandun yung dog. And another one is the meteorites, which is kailangan na i-dodge ng rocket.
And next yung is yung backdrops po namin. So yung pinaka-main backdrop po namin is yung space. And itong next backdrop is yung pinaka-main menu po namin. And yung next is how to play backdrop. And ito po yung pinaka-gameplay backdrop po namin. And yung next is pinaka-game over backdrop po.
The next one is buttons. This is the start button. This is the how to play, the try again, and the back.
So ito yung pinaka-gameplay ng laro namin. Papakita namin kung paano siya laruin. Okay. How to play. Dodge every meteorites using the control of left and right arrows. Then go to start. As you can see yan, We have 5 lives ng rocket na si Max. Kailangan niya lang iwasan yung mga bumabagsak na meteorite para dumami yung score niya. The more na tumatagal yung laro, mas bumibilis yung pagbagsak ng mga meteorite. So yan, 2 lives na lang siya hanggang sa maubusan na siya ng lives, mapupunta na sa game over nun. Tapos try again, kasi score nun 38 lang.